how you can create video through images with a Facebook post. So I'm going to start one here today that I got 3 images for, so I can show you as an example on how to do it. Video. When you hit the photo button, you're going to do create slideshow. And this is where you can decide how many seconds. If it's really great images, I do 5 seconds. If they're not so great, maybe 3 seconds. And you could do a fade transition, which makes them look, I think, a little nicer. So I've got my 3 images already on my desktop, and it's all for my website. I wanted to show some new things I was doing with the categories. I'm also going to showcase services that I have on the website. And the last image that I had put together was to show, let's see if I can remember the last one. Services, the blog, so they know where to go to the blog. And you create a slideshow. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's going to take a little time, the 3 seconds that I picked. So 3 seconds is probably optimal unless you have images of a high-end home. You may want to do 5 seconds, depending on what you have. Even this one I could probably do 5 seconds so people could see the different categories before they roll over too fast. And then what you can do is you can go in and schedule. So I could schedule this for today. I could pick my time. Usually I do noontime on my own page. You hit the schedule the post, and it takes a little time to show under publishing tools your scheduled posts. See, it takes a few minutes for it to make the video, so just be aware of that when you're doing it. Let's see, have to check back. It could take a minute or 2, but that's where you would get to see what your video looks like, and then you're actually able to go in and make changes. So that's how you can do video just with images.